Hello and welcome to another beehiiv feature update. In this video I'm going to cover updates to our double opt-in feature that will allow you to collect more subscribers by giving them a quick nudge 48 hours after they've signed up but they haven't responded to your double opt-in. Now, if you're like many of our users, you may be using double opt-ins to just add another layer of quality control for your newsletter signups. If you're unfamiliar with double opt-ins, it's a process where when a user submits their email, they're sent a notification saying, click this button to complete your signup. I'm sure you've experienced that across the web. And it can be valuable for improving open rates because you ensure that the user is actively opting in and the email hasn't been used nefariously, it's a real email, and so forth. However, one of the big challenges that some users have is that when they use the double opt-in, for one reason or another, some percentage of those users who signed up meaning to receive messages may miss that notification email. Maybe they accidentally delete it. Maybe they get distracted before they open it and click it and then forget that it's there. There's a bunch of different reasons why that might happen. But to help users overcome that, what we've introduced is a feature that allows you, if you want, to send these users a nudge 48 hours after they've signed up without clicking that double opt-in confirmation. So to turn this feature on, we're going to go into our settings under publication, and then we're going to go to double opt-in on the general page. So if you have this turned off, this is irrelevant to you because it only matters if you have the double opt-in turned on. But if you do have this turned on, you can just toggle this quick smart nudge toggle, and that will ensure that users will get a quick nudge that will help promote that opt-in behavior. Hopefully this is useful. Let us know what you think about this new feature in the comments. Look forward to seeing what you build. Thanks so much.